video that I did was actually the Hobonichi Haul for 2021. So we have the 2022 Hobonichi Haul, and I'm going to show you what I bought for 2022. So it has the poem there, and then just open it this way, it'll be easier. Okay, it has the wrapping, and I can see one of my cover on cover. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to put this away. Oh wait, I'm leaving one thing behind. There we go. This year I bought the Hobonichi set. I think they just introduced the Hobonichi set in Hobonichi 2022. It contains all the items that I need, so I might as well buy the set instead. But this one was not part of the set. This is the cover on cover for this year. This is the illustration. I can't remember the name of it. I'll just put it on the screen in a moment. And as you can see, it's a very lovely illustration. It is not embossed, it's not a raised item, a raised painting, so it's just flat, but it's very nice and I like it very much. The thing with this is that when you buy these kind of things, they don't have the opening for the back pocket, but that's fine. I don't use the back pocket anyway in my A6 Hobonichi, so I'm okay with that. Part of the set, which is the cover on cover, the clear one, looks like that, and you just put this on the cover itself, which I love it so much. It's so pretty. Look at that. Wait, hang on. Okay, so that's how it looks like. It is more of a lilac pink. It's not too pink, it's not a bright pink, so I can bring this to work. I really like it very much, and it is like a very light taupe color inside. So this is how it looks like. I'm so excited. This is how it looks like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of like card pockets, and then there's another 2 here, small pockets. There's one big pocket right here. This pocket, these 2 right here, is actually where you place your techo into, and then this is the secretarial pocket, and this is my bookmark. So yeah, I really like that. So the next ones are the pencil boards. I bought the Animal Crossing one. I am obsessed with Animal Crossing. I play it every morning before I go to work. I'm very excited to use this. Yeah, this one will do nicely. It's going to perk up whatever's inside here very much. This one is another pencil board. This one comes in the set. This is the color navy and pink. I don't see the navy part of it here, but there's a lot of pink, so it matches. There we go. Love it. And then this is my Hobonichi Techo, my planner for next year. So it is very heavy. I'm just a little bit worried that it's going to be too heavy for me to carry around every day, but we'll see. It's the guidebook. So this is the book. I love this cream color. It's very nice, and this is my first time actually holding an A5 size. This is the year at a glance. Now this is also in the A6 size, but the one that I'm really interested and really excited to use is the weeks. Here we go. Here's the weekly pages. I'm very excited to use this one because I am struggling with time management. Not that I am having difficulties in meeting my deadlines. No, it's just that I just want to put everything that happens, that's going to happen, I'm just going to put it in here. So this is what I'm excited about, and this is why I bought the A5, and I was not able to use the A6 that much last year because of this. I did have the weekly pages, but it was just too small. It does come with the monthly view as well, and then once you get through the weekly view, so you're going to have your day per page. I love it being a big size because I have a lot to write. I journal a lot. There's a lot that, I mean, anything that happens in a day, I'll just put it in. So I'm very excited to use this for next year. And as you can see, it lays flat no matter what page it is. I love that about Hobonichi. It's such a great planner because of that. So that's my first box. Yes, there's more. So this one is the item that we get when we buy the techo. We get freebies, okay? So for the techo A5 and A6, you will get this spoon, which is, I think it's called a misunderstood bear or something. But honestly speaking, I don't know what to do with this. I usually put anything that's functional in my techo. It's a very small spoon. What can you do with it? Oh well. And there's the keychain right there. This is the color this year for the Hobonichi pen. There we go. He says here Hobonichi Techo 2022. It's a nice mint color. I'm okay with this kind of color. It comes in 3 colors: black, blue, and red, the usual ones. So this kind of pen is actually very, very good for your techo because it doesn't bleed. The rest of them bleeds like crazy, so I don't like that. So I'll move on to the next box. Now we're on to our next box. I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. This box also contains another techo. I'll pull it out and I'll show you what it is. The next item in the second box is the Hobonichi Weeks cover. Okay. I bet you've seen how it looks like, right? This is the accessories that goes with the weeks and also with the A5. I bought the Hobonichi Weeks in a set too, and this is the color that I bought. I'll put it on the screen now. What's the name? Okay, and I like it. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh, ooh, this feels like it's fabric. That's interesting. So it's much smaller. I know that I was complaining about the fact that I don't have enough room or place to write, but this one is mainly for my hobbies. So I'm going to probably not going to use too much of the yearly page. Not quite sure whether I'll use this one as well, but I'll use this one just to note on what I did for my hobbies on that day itself. So if I was reading, I'll just put it in, and then if I was doing my exercises as well. So it's kind of like a habit tracker kind of book. It's going to be like a habit tracker kind of book, and I'm hoping that if I do this, then I would complete reading a lot of the books that I've been meaning to read. And it comes with quite a number of notes pages here, so that'll be great just to add in a note or two. and then it does come with a secretarial pocket as well. Okay, it's quite nice. I really like it, and it feels very fabric like. I really like it. And this is in orange color, which stands out a lot. Next one is this is for my A5. This is what I'm going to use to actually keep my A5 together. So the next item is actually the page keeper. I have this one for my A6. It does serve its purpose, but most of the time I'll just put my arm on the next page in order to hold on to the pages. Next item is the pencil board for the weeks, and this is the one in navy and pink. So I'm very happy to use that one for that. It comes in a set like I said just now. The next item is actually the folders. This is the A5 folders that you can stick into the A5. You can use this for anything actually, to hold your stickers, pictures, whatever. I think it comes in a 2. Yeah, it comes in a set of 2. I thought it came in 3. This is how it looks like. There is a cover for A5 or A6, I can't remember, with this one as the cover itself, but I didn't want to get that, so I bought this one in the folder instead. And this is the second folder. Nice. It goes like that. Okay, so it's an L-shaped folder. Very nice. And the last one for this second box is the I didn't buy this last year because I didn't get the A5, so that's the reason why I didn't need to buy it. But this year I just can't help myself. I really need to buy it. Just buy it and forget about it, or just buy it and use it. So yes, this is the Sesame Street Cookie Monster pencil board. It's so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, Cookie Monster is so cute. But actually my favorite character is actually Oscar the Grouch. I love Oscar. He's so grumpy. Actually, I like Grumpy too. Grumpy is one of the dwarfs in Snow White. This is the backing, and I'm just going to cut this out, okay, and probably paste it somewhere in my Hobonichi. That's about it for the Hobonichi haul for the 2 boxes. I have another one coming, which is going to be next week, so stay tuned for that one. I will do another haul just for that. I hope that you've enjoyed watching my video and that you have gained a little bit of an insight on what you want to buy from Hobonichi, because they are restocking some of their items, so you can probably just, you know, watch my video and head over to Hobonichi and get the stuff that you want. Like I mentioned before, the set is great for beginners, because if you don't know what to buy, then just get those. By the way, I heard that if you actually pop this part right here, it actually serves as your bookmark. Cool, eh? That's about it. Thank you. Bye.